Hello friends, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a question in GATE 2016. Asked for 2 marks from the subject programming. Now coming to the question, void count. The count is a function and having some program logic. Because program execution always starts with the main. From the main it is calling count of 3. Now the 3 is copied into variable n equal to 3. Now because n is a formal parameter of the count function. Now n is 3. It is having one static variable, static int d equal to 1. As you know, static variable is initialized only for once, will be used among all the function calls during the program. Now this will be initialized only for once. Later, for the later steps, this is not considered one more time. Next, printf %d n. Now it is printing n value. What is n? N is 3, which is formal parameters, printf 3. Then printf %d d. Now it is printing d. What is d? D is 1. Then d plus plus. What is d plus plus? This statement is d plus plus. Now d plus plus makes d value to be true if n greater than 1. Now what is n value? 3 greater than 1. Then it is going to call a function count of n minus 1. Count of n minus 1. What is n? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Now it is calling count of 2. After count of 2 executing, it is going to print the value of d. Now friends, keep in mind, this is print d is going to be executed on return from the count2 function, not now itself. So that this is going to be printed later. Next it continues with count2. When count2 is called, the count function, that n is initialized with 2, then this static variable is not going to be reinitialized, means this statement will not be considered. Now what were the statements here? Printf %d n, that is 2. Then printf d, what is the current value of d? That is 2. Then d plus plus, d is going to be incremented to 3. If n greater than 1, 2 is greater than 1, condition is true, so that it calls count of n minus 1. Now what is n? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Next, printf %d d. Again I am repeating, print d is going to be executed after return from the count1 function. After return from the count1 function, whatever the current value of d, that is going to be printed here. So that don't take the value 3 here immediately. Next it is going to call count1 function. Now count1, it makes the value of n equal to 1. That static declaration will not be reconsidered one more time. Printf, it is printing the value of n. What is the value of n? 1. And second print is print d. Now what is a d? That is 3. Then d plus plus, d is going to become 4. Then if 1 greater than 1, condition is false right now. Because what is the value of n? 1. 1 greater than 1, condition is false. Because condition is false, this count of n minus 1 is not going to be executed. Then it continue with the printf statement. What is a printf statement? Print the value of d. What is the value of d? That is 4. Now what output it returns? Now the output that returned is, first what is a printf statement? First 3. It is printing 1. Then next it is returning, because it is calling count2. First count2 is to be executed. This print is executing after this count2 returned. Now it is printing 2. Next print is 2 again. Because count1 is called, again count1 is going to print 1. And then 3. And then 4. On returning this count1, now it is going to print the value of d. Now what is the current value of d? 4. It is going to print 4. Again on return, it is going to print the current value of d. What is a d? The current value of d is 4. Then any more printf statements? No. And then return to the function call, means it is returning to the main. So what is the output it is returning? 31221 that is matching with an option A. So option A is the correct answer for the question. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.